Right, hello traders, welcome to another Trade Your Way. We are currently looking at and being short on the pound dollar. We've had a really nice push up to the 76.4. This is our 764 strategy currently in play, which we can teach you if it's something that you're interested in learning. So we had zero drawdown on that initial move, and then we've consolidated for the last day or so. We've had the presidential election, and now it's trying to break down and make a move bearish. We've already hit our T1 at 128.05, so we're just going to adjust the stop loss, bring it to break even. But before we do that, I just wanted to share with you what it looks like in terms of price action and why we're looking at continuation short. So we've had the move up. This whole push up of the last swing high was a good retracement, went up to 76.4, touched it and fell away almost instantly with zero drawdown. So that was a really good indication. Then yesterday we just consolidated, so I was waiting patiently to see what it would do next, and then this morning it's just looked quite heavily weighted to the downside, so we've gone in, shorted it, and we're looking for a retest of the previous low. Now the previous low is down at previous structure, and that is our 38.2, and that's the target that we've been talking about for this entire month. It's now the 30th of September, but we've been shorting it since it put in a double top. And the reason we said 127 is because we have a first major key fib. It's a 38.2 fib level, which is at 126.92. So we targeted 127 for that reason. You can see it consolidated for 3 days or so before pushing up. So yeah, that's why we're short at the moment, and we're just looking for that retest back down. Just to show you that what we've seen at the moment is we've got some fib clusters. I've basically taken the last lows here at 126.75 and 126.88, because that is the low that we've had so far. But then this is where price actually lifted from and put in a nice retracement up and touched that key area before dropping. So then we had the nice move down to our 38.2. So we've got fib clusters. So I'm using the last two lows, which is cool, which is nice. It makes for a powerful support or resistance. In this case, it's support. And so now we've got trend line support down here. I'm looking for this to break though. I'm looking for it to break 128. But it's a round number, so it made for a decent target area. Fib clusters, previous structure, made for a decent first target. So we shorted there. We're now running trades risk free. We're just going to wait and see really what happens with this price action. But hopefully that helps you understand exactly how we trade in. We had a 15 pip stop loss, 30 pip was our first target, so it was a 1 to 2 risk to reward, and we've already banked 2%.